Adverbs. Alright, well, adverbs, they describe adjectives. They describe verbs, and they describe other adverbs. Sorry, my light just went out. Had to fix that. Okay. Well, so these words, they indicate how something happens, or when, where, how often, or to what extent. Okay? So how something, like thoughtfully, for example, or when does it occur? Okay, so the adverb might be soon. Or where it might occur. Well, if you say it's inside, that might be the adverb, right? How often? Well, you might say daily. That's the adverb. To what extent? You might say very. To modify the adjective, or generally. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples. Alright, so alright, let's put a period right here. Alright, almost one. So it says, did it say how or when? Yes, it said, well, no. I would say almost indicates, it describes the verb to say when. He didn't ever win, so I mean it's weird to say when he won, but almost is kind of an indication of time. Let's give you a different one. Yeah, this tells how he runs, thoughtfully, aimlessly in this case. Okay, runs aimlessly. So there's an adverb here, adverb there. Okay, quite disappointing. To what extent was it disappointing? Very disappointing, generally, or quite disappointing. So this gives you an idea of how to handle adverbs. Okay, there's also a type of adverb called a conjunctive adverb, and we'll get to those later, but those often introduce a clause, and so furthermore, moreover, conclusively, you could probably see how some of these would start a sentence, right? Okay, well, some of these, they're called conjunctive adverbs, can start a sentence. There's a lot more, probably like 20 more of these conjunctive adverbs. These get offset with a comma. When you use these at the beginning of a sentence, you put a comma after it, and we should have some more on this later. But for now, that's it for adverbs.